Get
All right,
each
we're
one.
still continuing.
For this one, see, I had it on there already. You move it to the left.
What tool is this that you have?
Socket.
Okay.
You rent that in any auto parts store.
Hear that, single moms?
30 or 40 bucks to run it, and they give you your money back. And you
It's a
turn it to
deposit. It's actually it's a deposit, right?
Yep.
Okay, that's all it is. And this is still continuing to replace a heat sensor, right?
Oxygen.
Oxygen sensor. Okay.
I was reading a code that was running lean. Check engine light was on. You can see it's real red.
Ooh, wow.
Either probably what caused this probably was bad gas, which is not under my control. Once it gets like that, this is bad. It was running too lean or too rich. Go ahead and pause it. And here's the new one here. Actually, I like to go with Bosch, or you can go with the Ford one. This one has good anti-seize on the threads. What you do is just find the hole here. Let's see if you can see it on this angle. The hole. What it's gonna do is find the hole and screw it, the new one in there. Go ahead and pause that so you can see.